Imagine finding a human tooth thousands of years old. Now imagine that inside the hardened plaque on that tooth, scientists could find traces of the microscopic world that once lived in that person's mouth. Thousands of years ago, people lived, ate, traveled, fought disease, raised families, and adapted to changing environments. They left behind bones, tools, pottery, and something much smaller that scientists once overlooked. Clinging to ancient teeth is dental calculus, plaque that became mineralized and hardened. And remarkably, this tiny archaeological deposit can preserve biological information for thousands of years. Inside this hardened material, scientists can find fragments of DNA and proteins, molecular clues that can reveal what lived in a person's mouth, what they ate, and sometimes clues about their health. Unlike soft plaque, dental calculus becomes mineralized. That mineral matrix can help protect biomolecules from some forms of environmental degradation, allowing ancient DNA and proteins to survive long after the person is gone. But recovering ancient DNA is extremely challenging. Scientists must work carefully to distinguish genuine ancient molecules from DNA introduced by modern humans or the environment. Scientists extract these tiny fragments, sequence them, and use computational analysis to determine which organisms they came from. This allows researchers to reconstruct parts of ancient oral microbial communities and compare them with those found in people today. Dental calculus can even preserve clues about diet. Researchers have recovered DNA and proteins associated with plants and animals, providing evidence of what people consumed in the past. Dental calculus has also helped scientists investigate how major changes in human lifestyle affected our microbiome. One important transition was the shift from hunting and gathering to agriculture. The same material can preserve clues about disease. Researchers have identified ancient microbial DNA and proteins associated with oral health, disease, and the human immune response. The technique has reached even deeper into our evolutionary past. Researchers have recovered ancient microbial DNA from Neanderthal dental calculus, providing clues about diet, health, and the long history of the human-associated microbiome. This field was not built by one discovery or one scientist. Researchers including Christina Weriner, Christina Adler, Laura Weyrich, Alan Cooper, Jessica Hendy, Camilla Speller, and many collaborators have helped demonstrate how ancient dental calculus can preserve extraordinary information about our past. Thousands of years ago, people could never have imagined that something left behind on their teeth would one day help scientists reconstruct their lives. Today, ancient dental calculus is giving us molecular clues about diet, disease, microbes, migration, and human evolution. Sometimes, the smallest traces can tell the biggest stories. From a Neanderthal's tooth to the technologies of tomorrow, even the smallest traces can connect us across time. The past still has stories to tell, and science is learning how to listen. This is Infiniora. Explore, discover, innovate.